Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to manage payments on eBay. Open eBay application on your device and then navigate to My eBay section that is located at the bottom side of your screen, and here scroll down to the Account section and choose Payments. So here you can add your credit card, so press this button, and here you choose what will you use this payment method for. So you can check whether it's for you can choose whether it's for checkout or for auctions, but actually you can add the same credit card both for checkout and auctions. So you can firstly set up for auctions, checkout, and then for auctions. So select and choose your credit card. So it could be PayPal or Venmo or simply a credit card. Here enter the data of your credit card, so it's card number, expiration date, security code, your first name and last name, and here you can check whether your billing address is correct, and if not, you can apply some changes by pressing this edit button and then make some changes, and don't forget to save it. And then when you are ready to add your credit card, when the information is filled in, press this add button, and you can repeat the same process just for auctions and offers. So that's how you can manage payments on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.